Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Human has already left around 200 tons of garbage on the moon. 25-year-old Ilayaram Sekar from Chennai has been successfully in creating a new world record for solving the most number of Rubik cubes underwater. An octopus actually has 6 arms and 2 legs, not 8 legs. You have never seen your real face, only pictures and reflections of it. Kidney stone under an electron microscope. Now you know why it hurts so badly. Quantum teleportation was achieved with 90% accuracy over a 44-kilometer distance. The average high school kid today has the same level of anxiety as the average psychiatric patient in the early 1950s. A day on Venus lasts longer than a year on Venus. Scientists recently found that Earth is spinning faster than the last decades, making the days 0.05 milliseconds shorter. My father always told me never trust anyone whose TV is bigger than their bookshelf. A rare view of the Statue of Liberty from the balcony on its torch. Blaming Albert Einstein for making nuclear bomb is like blaming Newton for plane crashes because he discovered gravity. Gold is so ductile that we can make 2-kilometer long wire from just 1 gram of it. Eating 2 crore packets of Maggi in one day means that the time you finish reading this sentence, 2000 packets will be open. If just 1.2% of the Sahara Desert is covered by solar panels, we would harness enough energy to power the entire world. Cooper doors knobs are self-disinfecting. Study reveals that after you die, you are conscious long enough to actually know that you are dead. A man who treats his woman like a princess is a proof that he has been raised by a queen. Wiz Khalifa. Every person you see in your dreams has come across in your real life. Our brain cannot create faces. In 2001, Argentina had 5 presidents in 2 weeks. There is a disease named Ondine's curse which causes sufferers to die if they fall asleep. 2 things are infinite, the universe and human stupidity, and I am not sure about the universe. Albert Einstein. Snow owls, the only bird that can fly at 0.5 centimeter height and maintains this height. Shakespeare once said, I cried when I had no shoes, but I stopped crying when I saw a man without legs. Life is full of blessings, sometimes we don't value it. SpaceX broke a world space record by launching 143 satellites in a single mission. If you find science boring, you are learning it from a wrong teacher. Richard Feynman. The Japanese 1 yen coin is so light that it can float on still water. It does not break the surface tension. Earth is about 4.6 billion years old. Let's scale down to 46 years. We have been here for 4 hours. America's first bank robbery of $1,62,821. The thief was caught because he deposited the money back into the same bank. In the Chinese city of Chongqing, cell phone addicts have their own sidewalk lane. The Museum of Non-Visible Art sells art that does not exist. We are born with two natural fears, the fear of falling and the fear of loud sounds. Virat Kohli only consumes bottled water named Evian. YouTube has created the Red Diamond Award to honor channels that surpass over 100 million subscribers. Apple iPhone fingerprint sensor can differentiate between the fingerprint of a living or a dead person. Short people are the future. They consume less food, use less car fuel, and more of them can fit on Earth. They are basically eco-friendly humans. In Denmark, starting pay at McDonald's is roughly $22 an hour. Lee 12 has been ranked #1 mindset business coach in Europe. In 2015, two strangers sat next to each other on a flight and noticed they look identical. The total screen time of Marvel Cinematic Universe 3000 minutes. The T-shirt was invented in 1904. It was marketed to bachelors who could not sew or replace buttons. Google believes sleep loss can seriously damage your health. It has installed sleep pods in its offices for staff requiring a nap. Mumbai is home to 46,000 millionaires and 28 billionaires. It is India's richest city with total wealth of $820 billion. Thanks for watching.